Daily use English sentences. Listen, repeat, and practice. Let's begin. I'm glad to hear that. Repeat. I'm glad to hear that. This sentence is used to express happiness or relief after hearing good or positive news from someone. Example. A. I finally passed my driving test today. B. That's great news. I'm glad to hear that. A. Thank you. I was really nervous. B. You did it. You should be proud. That's good enough. Repeat. That's good enough. This sentence means something is acceptable and meets the basic requirements, even if it is not perfect. It shows satisfaction without needing anything more. Example. A. I fixed the chair, but it's not perfect. B. That's good enough. It's stable now. A. Should I try to improve it more? B. No, this will work fine for now. I'll let you know. Repeat. I'll let you know. This sentence means the speaker will give information or an update later after they decide or find out more details. Example. A. Can you come to the meeting tomorrow? B. I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know. A. Okay, please tell me as soon as you can. B. Sure, I'll message you later today. Can I get the menu, please? Repeat. Can I get the menu, please? This sentence is a polite way to ask for the list of food and drinks available in a restaurant. It is commonly used when ordering at a cafe or restaurant. Example. A. Excuse me, can I get the menu, please? B. Of course, here you go. A. Thank you. Everything looks good. B. Take your time and let me know when you're ready. It's been a long day. Repeat. It's been a long day. This sentence is used to say that the day felt tiring or exhausting because of work, travel, or many activities. Example. A. You look really tired today. B. Yeah, it's been a long day. A. Do you want to rest for a bit? B. Yes, I could really use a break. I'm running late. Repeat. I'm running late. This sentence means the speaker is going to arrive later than expected or later than planned. It is often used to inform someone politely. Example. A. Hey, are you almost here? B. I'm sorry, I'm running late because of traffic. A. Okay, thanks for letting me know. B. I'll be there in about 10 minutes. Is this seat taken? Repeat. Is this seat taken? This sentence is used to politely ask if someone is already using a seat or if it is free to sit in. Example. A. Excuse me, is this seat taken? B. No, it's free. You can sit here. A. Thank you, I appreciate it. B. You're welcome. Go ahead and sit down. I'll be back in 5. Repeat. I'll be back in 5. This sentence means the speaker will return after about 5 minutes. It is commonly used in casual, everyday situations. Example. A. Where are you going? B. I need to make a quick call. I'll be back in 5. A. Okay, I'll wait here. B. Thanks, I won't be long. Let me think about it. Repeat. Let me think about it. This sentence is used when someone needs time to decide or consider an idea before giving an answer. It shows thoughtfulness and hesitation. Example. A. Do you want to join us for dinner tonight? B. I'm not sure yet. Let me think about it. A. Sure, take your time. B. I'll give you an answer soon. That's fine with me. Repeat. That's fine with me. This sentence means the speaker agrees with the plan or decision and has no problem with it. It shows acceptance. Example: A. Is it okay if we meet at 6 instead of 5? B. That's fine with me. A. Great, thanks for being flexible. B. No problem at all. Is there a discount on this item? Repeat. Is there a discount on this item? This sentence is used to ask politely if the price of a product can be reduced or if there is any special offer available. Example: A. I like this jacket. Is there a discount on this item? B. Yes, it's 10% off today. A. That's great. I'll take it. B. Perfect. I'll ring it up for you. I'll see you next week. Repeat. I'll see you next week. This sentence is used to say goodbye and confirm that you plan to meet the person again in the coming week. Example: A. Thanks for your help today. B. You're welcome. I'll see you next week. A. Sure. Have a great weekend. B. You too. Take care. They offered us free coffee. Repeat. They offered us free coffee. This sentence means someone gave or promised coffee at no cost. It often shows surprise or appreciation for a kind offer. Example: A. Why are you smiling so much? B. They offered us free coffee. A. Really? That's nice of them. B. Yes, it made my morning better. I've been craving pizza all day. Repeat. I've been craving pizza all day. This sentence means the speaker has had a strong desire or hunger for pizza throughout the day. Example: A. You seem really excited about dinner. B. I've been craving pizza all day. A. Perfect. There's a pizza place nearby. B. Great. Let's order it right now.
Thanks for watching.